Harvey Height again from Realty Executives. We're here again today at 5054 41st Street in Sunnyside, the two-story, three-family townhouse, totally renovated last year. And on the last visit, we were only able to film the first floor, the three-bedroom. Today we're going to do the four-bedroom, second floor, and then take a quick peek in the backyard. Okay, then Peter opened the door, and we're coming into the entrance to the two apartments. The left-hand side is a three-bedroom on the ground floor, which I showed you in the last film. And now today we're going up to the four-bedroom on the second floor. First thing you see in the hallway is that ladder to the roof. You have to have a metal ladder in a multifamily, required by fire code, to the roof. We have that. And so, again, we're entering big living room area here in the front. Towards the front of the buildings, you have two potential bedrooms here. Beautiful hardwood floors. And each room here with a large closet. We are back in the living room, or potential pass-through dining room area again. Here is another potential bedroom or den on the second floor, with a small closet. Very convenient. Okay, now we're going to make our way. Part of this wall could be taken down in the living room area to have a pass-through to the beautiful kitchen. This area here is a potential eat-in kitchen dining room area for smaller. And then we have the beautiful renovated kitchen here. Again, the building was totally renovated earlier this year, 2018. Each floor has a stacked washer dryer for the two main apartments. This is a potential bedroom number 3 and a potential bedroom number 4 here, facing the back of the building. Usually very bright here, not only because you have a south exposure, but you also have windows on 3 sides of the building. Now, right outside of that fourth room is the full bathroom here, all renovated and done in marble tile. Plus, another great feature that they did here is they put a second bathroom, or a half bath, here on both floors, on the 4-bedroom on the second floor and a 3-bedroom on the first floor. Okay, now we're going to make our way out. I'm going to put it on pause. Okay, coming back downstairs from the second floor, we have one of those automatic light turnaround thingies. Out again to the front. And we're going to go around to the right to the driveway, which is actually what they call an easement between the two houses, but it's more than 8 feet wide. It leads to the backyard here, which they have a 2-car garage set up internally. Right behind this, these windows here are to the 1-bedroom basement level apartment, thoroughly legal. Not going to be able to see that today, but if somebody's interested in the place, here's the tenant's entrance door. This one's getting $1,200 a month. And this door is to the internal garage, which I'll include a picture, which you can park actually 2 cars inside. And this is the backyard area, which you could park another 2 or maybe 3 smaller cars more. Okay, here are those 2 garage spaces. It's great to have these. This is one of the main features of the house. As parking has become scarcer and scarcer these days with the growth of Long Island City, and the future arrival, possibly even next year, of Amazon.com, not more than about 3/4 of a mile from this location. It'll also have a positive impact. They predict that the rentals in this unit are due for a 20 to 30% increase over the next 3 to 5 years because of the changing demographics and the new businesses and people that are going to be brought to this area. So again, here it is. Great house, 5054 41st Street, Sunnyside. 3-family, 2-story plus finished basement townhouse. Get in touch with me anytime with questions about the house. Oh, here they come. They just keep coming and coming. Again, my name's Harvey Hyde. My number is 917-748-4810. In the first film, Guadalupe, who was helping me that day, who was a Mortgage World banker, didn't get a chance to explain about the financing of the house. But if you're interested, you'll call me and I'll put you right in touch with her anytime. That's the Mortgage World Bank, is our mortgage arm of Realty Executives, and they'll get the best deal for you. They're a great bunch of bankers. Okay, Harvey Hyde signing off. Again, call me or email me with any questions you may have to set up an appointment anytime. Usually need 12 to 24 hours notice. Again, Harvey Hyde, Associate Broker, 917-748-4810. Email harveyhyde@gmail.com. That's HARVEYHEIT @gmail.com. Thanks for watching.